Hello students, we are continuing the last module, again generation of employment. Now the question is how more employment can be created in rural areas. In rural areas, industries can be opened. Like in West Bengal, Tata Iron and Steel plant have been opened, have been set up, and many people of nearby states they got the employment in large number. Second, increasing construction work in rural areas. More construction work can be done in rural areas to provide the basic facilities to rural people. It will not only provide the employment but also will improve the living standard of the people of those areas. Third, employing people from rural areas in facilities created the examples, and it could be means a different type of employment can be provided, jobs can be provided like clerks, teachers, peons, compounders. Next, improving the agriculture sector. In agriculture sector, more improvement can be there. Storage facilities can be provided by the government. Honeybee collection center can be opened so that more and more people will get work in rural areas. Dal mill can be opened. In agricultural sector, modern machines can be started, can be used, which will improve the quality of agriculture sector and which will increase the productivity, and for more productivity more people will get the work and they will get the employment. Now how more employment can be created in rural areas? Improving or developing road system. When road construction will be there, then people will get employment to construct the roads in rural areas. Government can provide cheap credit facilities so that village people they can start their own small scale business, small scale industry, they can open their small shops. Government can introduce more act like MG Narega and others. How the more employment can be increased in urban areas. In urban areas, if credit is provided cheaply and easily, it will encourage the setting up of small scale business or self employment can be created. If educational facilities will improve and schools are set up, more jobs in education line will be created, and those educated they will also get the jobs. By improving health facilities, more hospitals in rural and urban areas can be opened so that more and more people can get employment. Tourism can also be promoted and small scale industries also can be encouraged by the government and development can be there. Now the next is how public sector contribute to the economic development of a nation. There are so many basic facilities in a country, in a society, which is required by the people and which is necessary for the people. And these all activities like road construction, bridges construction, railways, health, education, housing facilities, safe drinking water, all these are the basic requirements which are needed by the people in the society. And these basic facility need large amount of money. And to collect large amount of money from large number of population is not easy. That is why government has taken all these activities under them. Even if these activities will be provided to the private sector, then the main aim of the private sector is to earn profit. Price will increase. In that case, some poor people will not be able to enjoy these basic facilities. So for the sake of the welfare of the people, government has taken up all these activities of life of the people of the society has taken under them.